mga
Ma'am
biyan, kami
Catherine
ni
Joy
ang luto
Lampreya,
sa first
Ma'am
contestant,
Teresa
kami ni
F.
ang
Iliogo,
from Batad,
to
Iloilo.
represent the Iloilo City Government, and Anne Rapunzel O. Ganzon to represent the Iloilo Provincial Government for the giving of Dinagyang symbol of gratitude.
Arlo Cap,
kami ni ang binakul nila nga
Rara
luto, no?
Ganzon, and Miss
sa
Teresa
first na
Ilgo to be in front.
contestants from Batad, Iloilo. And then ang
This
ikagawa kami
token is
gawa
not
ng
just a
tiki.
token, this is a piece of heritage, a small but powerful symbol of our culture, our gratitude, and our identity as Region 6, the heart of the Visayas, the cradle of Dinagyang's spirit.
Na Corpuchero from Lawaan ng tiki. And then this is the champion. This is from Niwa, Iloilo, Bungol.
To Chef Marky, whose hands create more than just cuisine, but stories on every plate. Thank you for carrying the flavors of Iloilo, of Region 6, to every table you touch, with every bite. People taste not just the food, but the pride of our people. Chef Marky, please come forward.
May pasaya. Okay naman. Sorry. Pagyan ko naman. So mga biyan, marami kong tuloko ng iyang produkto. At isa ginataang kalabasa with mixed vegetables and chicken.
And to Undersecretary Punay, a steadfast supporter and the bridge between regions and agencies. Your presence here is not just official,
Yun
it
ang
is
say ka
personal to all of
diri,
us.
ang mani ang iyasang bago city, no? Negros Occidental.
This token of Dinagyang is not just a
crispy
gift,
sinigang
it is a
na
salute
yubab.
from the vibrant heart of Iloilo, from the entire Region 6. Madamo gid nga salamat,
Yung
Yusuf.
mga biyan, no? And then ang katlo amo ang iyang squash bula-bula. From squash bula-bula di Sagay. From Sagay City, Negros Occidental. So, ayun mga biyan, ang nagdaw kami ang taga Burol, Niwa, Iloilo.
Chef Marky.
Sa ilang ginataang ano? Kalabasa.
Alright, so at this point, we are inviting everyone to stay at their
May
seats.
tumili sila ma'am yan na 15,000 pesos. Very good mga
So
biyan.
yung mga nasa likod po, we are requesting you to please stand. And
from
when
Veritas
nasa
News
harapan po,
Online
please
na
remain
yung aga
seated. We will
kag
have